I think winter is the best season because I have two reasons to support my answer. First, winter has a fun activity. For example, in winter it starts snowy and snow is dropped on the ground. We use it and do snow fight. It is so fun. Also, we can do snow sport, sled, ski, ice skates, and hockey. We have many snow sports. Second, winter has so delicious food. For example, I play snow fight and drink some hot cocoa and eat some winter snacks like steam bun. So it is so delicious that I feel is so happy and fun. Third, it can make friendship. For example, I play fun winter sports with new friends. I can make new friends. And I have many friends. I more fun to play much friends in winter sports. Last, it is good holiday in winter because in winter we have Christmas. In conclusion, I think winter is the best season. Thank you for listening to our presentation.